Hi guys, this is my first YouTube channel video, and today we're going to be starting a flipping journey, flipping furniture. A lot of people that inspired me were furniture flipping newbie, furniture flipping teacher, and there was one more. It's a mom. I'll put it her bio right here, but I'm gonna start flipping furniture. My goal is to relieve myself of debt. I do have $20,000 in debt. I'm only 20. I know, relax. I'm getting under control. Everything's getting paid. I do make enough by working part-time and going full-time school to pay off that debt, but my goal is to relieve that debt using furniture flipping. And this is actually my first flip, as you see in the beginning, at the end of the video, to use this flip to relieve of that debt and to save up and hopefully start flipping houses. That's the goal, houses. So welcome to the first YouTube video, and let's get started. So we just picked up our first flip, our first piece of furniture. He had it for 50. I knocked him down to 30, and he was able to throw in a free chair because he was moving, free chair / table. So we got two things in one for $30, and I can't be more excited to start this project. So we're gonna go to Home Depot, get some supplies, and we'll see you guys in the next time. As I got home, I just started sanding the drawers, the top of the furniture, and started replacing the handles and starting to get everything ready for prep. For the most part, guys, this is it. Did a little scuff scan as I'm still learning how to sand, but it was a good test run. All those parts I still got to fix up. Did 120 sandpaper with a little hand sander that I got from Home Depot for $10. So, you know, get up, get out, and do it. All right, guys, we're gonna start priming this piece. So let's go. I'm getting excited. Let's go. Here's how the first layer came out. I'm using a foam roller. I think next time I'm gonna try and use a brush. If you guys have any tips, please let them down in the comments below, because I don't know, there's a lot of wet spots, a lot of spots. But I'm gonna go over 2 coats with prime. I still haven't started on the big one, but we're going to yet soon. So my next step for the project is, after I finish sanding the drawers, I'm gonna move on to priming it. And I know if you guys are looking at it and it's a little dark at my house, I only have time to work on the stuff because I am a full-time student. I do work part-time, and I do a part-time. I help run a karate dojo, so a little fun fact about me today. But I'll get back to you when we finish priming and sanding the drawers. Here we go. I'm gonna try and spray paint right here using Rust-Oleum. Let's try first coat. We got our first coat of paint. I went with like a grayish white to go matching with the black handles that we just spray painted. So let's get into that. I'll come back when drawers are painted first. Here's the final product. So guys, I just finished karate, and during karate I finished working out, and then I checked my phone and we ended up getting an inquiry for full asking price on this dresser. So that is good. We got it for $30. Supplies was like $10, so we're in it for $40. Sold it for $150, so you know, $120 profit, which is not good on our first, which is good on our first one. So we'll get back to that. Guys, so we just sold the dresser and they gave us $160. Had my sister help us come with me so I can hit carpool. But we sold it for, I asked for $150, gave me $160 because we did deliver it. So then those big profits on the first dresser. See you guys in the next one.